Welcome all the students. Today I am going to describe about Restoration drama and outline of English literature, chapter 5. So Restoration is a literary as well as political movement that started in England during the time of 1660 AD up to 1700 AD. Basically, the period between 1660 up to 1700 AD, it is known as the period of Restoration drama. So, being the student of literature, we should get idea about different political as well as other movements that were going on in England. So during the rule of Charles I, there was civil war. There was the war between the King Charles I and the Parliament. At that time, Cromwell was the leader of Parliament. So yes, the tussle kept on going between the King and the Parliament when there was the civil war. Charles I was beheaded in 1649 AD. So, after 1649, Cromwell, the leader of Parliament, himself ruled over England until his death 1660 AD. So, during the time of Cromwell, during the reign or rule of the Cromwell, there was strict rule and regulation. People were ordered to have a faith in God. They were ordered to visit the churches and have different prayers. So there were strict code and conduct. All the theatres were closed during the rule of Cromwell. It can be taken as the barren period of English literature as well. After the death of Cromwell, people realized that monarchy system is necessary for the country. So that people brought Charles I from the France, and Charles II was kept on the royal throne in 1660 AD. As the Charles II became the King of England, once again all the theatres were reopened and writing drama and performances of the drama started in England. It was the very positive, we can say, perspective on the literature. So there were new tastes of dramas in England. While talking about Restoration drama, we can divide them into three different categories. Number one, tragedy, heroic tragedy. Number two, comedy of manner. Number three, comedy of humor. So three different type of dramas were there in England during the Restoration period. So mainly the dramas were written in poetic form. They were written in heroic couplet form. So they were called heroic. So very common matter, they were described in heroic style. Even love affair, it was performed in heroic style and it was written in the diction using couplet. Okay, this way we should have a general knowledge about Restoration period in England. Thank you.